Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do a video on my chickens. Now I have two hens, they're Silkies by breed, which means they're smaller than regular chickens and they have like floofy feathers. It almost looks like fur. So I've always loved Silkies. I always wanted to have my own hens so I could have eggs. I tried one once from my friend who had them and the eggs were amazing, and to be honest, they didn't bother my stomach. Usually I have problems with food and I have food allergies, and eggs were one of the things that bothered me. But having natural, hens are always natural, but having hens that don't have chemicals put in the eggs or don't have anything, hormones being shot in them, actually makes it easier to digest for me, that I find. The taste is better, the color is better, and the chickens are happy, and it really shows in their eggs. It's pretty sad. I'm not going to get into it. This is not this video for that, but it's pretty sad. Even free-ranged eggs that you buy in the store, they have, like, I'm sure, preservatives to keep them longer. The way they treat the chickens, it's sad. They live in terrible conditions. They're injected with like hormones to produce more eggs, and because really a chicken is supposed to lay one egg a day, and it's sad if they have to lay more than that, but that's another topic. So I love my chickens, my girls. They're so cute. I just got this egg today. I want to share something that's super cute. Another time, one of the girls, I don't know which one, like I have two. One is Ava and the other one is Chickeeta. So Chickeeta's in mommy mode. I'm gonna get back to that in 2 seconds. But Chickeeta laid, Ava laid this egg because Chickeeta's not laying for the moment. Now, before she went into mommy mode, one of them laid a tiny little egg. So it's called a fairy egg. It's so cute. It's really small. It's supposed to be good luck, and it's rare. Why it's like this? Apparently it's because there's no yolk in it, so it didn't develop a yolk. But it's cute nonetheless. I love my girls. I've had them for a little over a year. Chickeeta turned 1 May 3rd. I got her when she was a baby. I actually got her and another one, but he turned out to be a rooster and I couldn't keep him. So I found a sanctuary about 4 hours away from where I am. And I drove there. Now he's protected and he has this little harem of like 5 girl chickens, and he's so happy. So it makes me feel good to know he's safe and he's happy. But I kept his sister, and then I got her a friend, which is Ava. And she's a little bit older, so Ava is about 1.5 years, and Chickeeta is she's exactly, a year and a month. So yeah, and during the winter, because Canadian winters are super cold and I don't have a heated coop, and they keep warm in numbers, so 2 of them won't keep very much warmth, and I don't have a heated coop. So my girlfriend, that's my kitty cat, she has a very nice farm, like nice land, and she loves chickens, so that's all she has is a bunch of chickens with different breeds and Silkies. So my girls went to her this winter and they stayed, and then I got them back in the summer. So back to what I'm doing, I'm gonna give them back to my girlfriend because I think they're gonna be happy. They're gonna have friends, because right now Chickeeta is in mommy mode, which is called Brody. So she's gonna be solitude, wanting to sit on the eggs. Like this morning she was sitting on this egg, which isn't hers, singing to it. She makes little cooing noises, hoping to hatch it. I don't have a rooster, so none of the eggs are gonna hatch, but she doesn't know that, and she's just in like a trance. So right now, that's all she's doing 24/7 is sitting on the eggs, and she's making these little cooing noises because the mommy talks to their babies, like they talk to the eggs. So when they hatch, they know it's like their voice, and the babies go to the mommy. So cute. Chickens, I have learned so much from my girls. They are so smart. They know their names. They are smarter actually than cats or dogs, believe it or not. I didn't want my girls on the deck. So they were going on the deck. I told them twice not to go on the deck, and they don't. And also, because they were free range at my girlfriend's place, they wanted to run around in the backyard, which I allowed them. So the fence, there's like a little hole in the fence, and then one time Ava went into the neighbor's yard. She's so smart because I told her no, and she never did it again. Like, my girls are so cute. I used to have them in the house, and I bought these little chicken diapers for them. It's super cute. Like, this goes on the belly, and then this goes over the wings, so this collects the little poopies, right? Of course, I love leopard, so it has to be in leopard. But I just spoil my girls. Like, I love them so much. These were luxury diapers, I think, at Luxury Chicken. They're super cute. Anyways, so that was my little diaper thing. If I have them in the house, you can't have them pooping everywhere. So if I did bring them in, I'd give them a little spa bath, and I would like dry them and put on their little diapers. They're so cute. Anyways, I'm going to show you my girls. There's neighbors outside, so maybe it's going to be a tad bit noisy. But you're going to see my girls. And I'm not good at flipping the camera, so I apologize in advance if it's not proper. So here we go. I'm going to show you my backyard, my girls. And they look slightly different. Oh, my Savannah just ran out. Hold on a second. So this is Kingston. Hey, baby. This is my baby Kingston. There he is. Hey. I'm just... Oh, and he's talking. Yes. I'm just going to put him in his, in his little cat carrier. His little catio. Okay. So I'm going to show you. This is Ava. Nope, sorry, I'm wrong. This is Chickeeta. She's went back to her coop. So this is the coop. This is my chicken coop. As you can see, she's inside. She just went in there right now. She's upset because I opened the box. There she is. She's my pretty girl. Hello, darling. Hey, beautiful. So this is their little nesting box. She wants me to, and she's cooing. She's making little cooing noises. Hey, baby. Good girl. Chickeeta. Yeah, she's like going in her little nesting box. Chickeeta. Good girl. So that's, then this closes like this, and she's happy. So now I'm gonna show you my little girl, Ava. Now she's the one that's lonely. So Chickeeta only went out for a little bit. Now she ran back in her box. So this is Ava. Once again, I apologize if the video is not showing her clearly. Hi, Ava. It's a pretty girl. Hey, baby. Hey, my love. Hey, you're such a pretty girl, Ava. Ava. Good girl, Ava. Hey, my girl. I don't know if you could see her. There she is. There's my girl. I don't know, I'm sorry that I can't see and I can't flip the camera. So let me see if I can get her. Come, baby. Good girl, honey. Hey, my love. Oh, there she is. There's my girl. You're such a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Eva. Yeah, my girl. Are you talking to me? Yeah. Let's get out of the sun. Look at my girl. There we go. Isn't she so pretty? I love my girls. Oh, you talking? Yeah. Good girl. Oh, you're such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. And you're a good girl, too. It's my girl. Oh, yeah, it's my baby. So it's my girl. There she is. Let's see if we can see her. So, that's my girls. Yeah. I hope you have enjoyed feeding them. And I've enjoyed showing you. I'm going to just go back inside. Hold on. Yeah. So that is my beautiful girls that I've enjoyed to show you. And I hope you liked this video. And I hope you've enjoyed watching it. And I hope you subscribe, you push the like, and you watch my other videos. So I'm happy to be back doing my YouTube channel. I thank you all so very much. I wish you a wonderful day. Sending out positive love and energy. Have a wonderful day.